Hi there, this is Carolyn with the WeTreat app. In this video, I will show you how to enter in your work hours or availability in the app. This is especially useful for synchronous clearances to let patients know that you are available for virtual calls or the clinic. So what you need to do is click the profile tab on the bottom left, and on the top right, navigate to work hours. If you have a Google Calendar, you can sync your Google Calendar. It will not show any of your personal details to anyone, but it knows when you are unavailable. If you would like to set specific work hours, you can first select your time zone, and then you can click the days. You can enter in the hours. You can click all locations or specific locations, and you can repeat it daily or weekly. Once you click save, this will enter in your availability, and all of the staff members at each of the offices can view schedules and know when you are available. And for appointments, virtual appointments to be booked on you, it will give patients and offices your availability. Each call is about a 30-minute block.